How to enable or disable, remove unwanted objects in camera, scan documents and text on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button on the right hand side here. Then tap on settings. Next, in camera settings, we go down and then tap on scan documents and text. Now at the bottom here, tap on remove unwanted objects. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here say automatically remove fingers from the frame when scanning documents. Now tap on the back key to return back to the home screen. Tap on the back key to return back to the camera, or you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. So let's test it out. So here, let's say if I'm holding this box and I want to scan this box as a document. So I'll put my camera into the box. And I've got my finger on my thumb right here. So I said the lens is a bit dirty, so I just want to clean it. Okay, so I've got my finger pointing at the subject. But here when I tap on the download button, you can see that the final image has removed my finger on the side there. Now you can see there are some patching up to do. The line is not straight as the software automatically tries to erase my thumb or my fingers, unwanted objects in the document. And that's it. So that is how you can use that auto remove object feature in camera when scanning for a document or text on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.